Children, in this video we are going to learn about preparation of nitric acid and its physical properties. So nitric acid is called as spirit of niter or aqua fortis or strong water. Actually, this nitric acid is kept in the bottles in the lab. So, fresh nitric acid is a pure colorless liquid only. But when we are keeping for a long, it turns into pale yellow color or light brown color. Why? Because means nitric acid decomposes due to heat to give nitrogen dioxide plus water plus oxygen. Due to the liberation of nitrogen dioxide, it is pale yellow color or light brown color. So, preparation, there are two types of preparation. First one is laboratory preparation. Nitric acid is prepared by heating equal amount of potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid. So giving HNO3, HNO3, remaining one hydrogen is there. So KHSO4, potassium bisulfate. Similarly here also HNO3 plus NaHSO4. The temperature is kept here as low as possible to avoid decomposition of nitric acid. When the temperature is high, already which I taught, it turns into brown color because of the liberation of nitrogen dioxide due to the decomposition of nitric acid. So the temperature should be kept as low as possible. If the temperature increases, nitric acid once more becomes into brown color or pale yellow color due to the liberation of nitrogen dioxide. These two are laboratory preparation. Now commercial method or industrial preparation, that is prepared in large scale. Nitric acid prepared in large scale through Ostwald process. So in this method, ammonia which is prepared by Haber's process, treated with 10 times of air, nearly 10 times higher air. This mixture, ammonia, oxygen, this mixture is preheated. And passed into a catalyst chamber. It is passed into a catalyst chamber where they come in contact with a platinum gas. Temperature rises to 1275 Kelvin, and the metallic gas brings about the rapid catalytic oxidation of ammonia, resulting in the formation of nitric oxide NO, then which then oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. Actually, this process takes place in 3 steps. So in the first step, ammonia, it is converted to nitric oxide, then nitric oxide converted to nitrogen dioxide, then nitrogen dioxide converted to nitric acid. If you are seeing elaborately, ammonia with air forming nitric oxide plus H2O, 120 kilojoule heat is liberated on balancing. Here 4NO, so 6H2O, here 4NH3, here 5 2s are 10. Then this nitric oxide NO combining once more with oxygen forming nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide is passed through the series of adsorption towers. It reacts with water, NO2 reacts with water to form nitric acid, nitrogen dioxide, water, which is bleached by blowing air. So 3 steps. So all the process follows 3 steps due to commercial preparation. First step, ammonia converted to nitric oxide, then nitric oxide converted to nitrogen dioxide, then nitrogen dioxide converted to nitric acid. So what are the physical properties? Once more, the pure nitric acid is a colorless. It boils at 86 degrees Celsius. The acid is completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture that is 98% nitric acid. Boiling point of this one is 120.5 degrees Celsius. Fuming nitric acid contains oxides of nitrogen. It decomposes on exposure to sunlight or being heated into same nitrogen dioxide, water, oxygen. What is fuming nitric acid means? It contains 86% nitric acid, but concentrated nitric acid contains only 68% nitric acid. So due to this pure acid, it becomes pure acid which is colorless. Due to the decomposition of nitric acid into nitrogen dioxide, it becomes yellow on standing. So in most of the reaction, nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent because the oxidation state changes from +5 to a lower one. So it doesn't yield hydrogen in its reaction with metals, but nitric acid can act as an acid, as an oxidizing agent, as a nitrating agent in organic reactions. So the chemical properties we will see in the next video.